Calgary, Alberta, Canada. As of now, this afternoon it is snowing and it's pretty cold. You see everything is white, cold. Snow has blanketed everything. You can see the beautiful trees, and it's snowing like flurries as of now, but it's not that bad. It's Saturday afternoon here and most of the people are off work today because of the weekend, but I'm on my way to somewhere just to have some walk. You see the trees are so beautiful. It's amazing. It doesn't look like real, but it's real. So all of my viewers, please watch my other videos as I post very original and good things, quality stuff to watch. I am a nature lover and I like nature and natural and original things. So you can watch my YouTube channel for your entertainment and fun and enjoying the beauty of the world. I post videos from around the world of my videos are mostly of beautiful places. So those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please have it subscribed